Alright, welcome guys. Today is kimchi. My mom's gonna show her way of doing kimchi. And how long have you been doing kimchi for, Mom?
I'm 20 years make a kimchi.
I'm kind of scared because she might make the kimchi so much better than our recipe, which we did earlier in the year. But you think yours is gonna be better?
Yes, much better.
It's just a lot of confidence, guys. We'll have to wait and see. And Mom, let us. She never gets it. So like last time, we're gonna use 1 Napa cabbage. Actually, before we start, Mom, how do you buy good Napa cabbage?
껍질이 얇은 거.
Yeah, and then the outside leaves here, it should be green.
칼로 반을 자를 거야.
Good.
Okay.
And inside, there should be a pearl. Looks nice, beautiful. And then we're gonna just give them a nice wash. Kosher sea salt. Don't use dining salt because it gets way too salty. So we're using 1/2 cup. Open up the leaves.
이렇게 대충 뿌려.
And then just pour in some of the salt. And you want to just get each layer.
배추가 안에는 두꺼워. 그래서 거기부터 뭐 소금을 뿌려야 돼. 이파리보다. 됐지?
Then we're gonna use 1/2 cup of water. Just regular water. We're gonna spread it. We're gonna let this sit in the salt for 6 hours.
소금에 이렇게 배추를 간을 죽여놨지? 3시간 있다가 한번 뒤집을 거야.
So we have shrimp brine. It's called 새우젓. But if you use this, it's not as salty as fish sauce. So it tastes, I think, sometimes even better. 1/2 an onion, 1 whole apple, and then medium-sized potato, roughly the length of your palm. 15 cloves of garlic, small piece of ginger, roughly the size of a ping pong ball, maybe the size of a quarter. And we need some gochugaru. My grandma also made me bring another ridiculous brick. Packaged it well.
Wow, oh my god.
Is this a turkey? It's frozen. We can't use it. Scratch that. We gotta go to plan B. Use some different gochugaru here. This is another gochugaru bag. Actually, that I brought back 2 years ago, right?
Yeah.
Looks even better. 1 full cup of gochugaru.
고춧가루.
Okay. Cut the potato into small pieces. Mom likes to use potatoes instead of rice or the glutinous rice powder. So we're gonna switch it up, try it with potatoes and see how it comes out. I've never seen it like this actually.
여름에 만드는 김치는 이 감자를 유수하면 더 맛있어.
Wrap it up. Pop a few holes so it steams. Microwave for how many?
3 minutes? Touch.
3 minutes. Oh, hot.
Hot.
Hot potato. Cut the onion into small pieces. We're gonna core out the apple. And this is gonna provide a little bit of sweetness. Then we're gonna peel off the skin so that the color doesn't change in the paste. Alright guys, so now we have those potatoes from the microwave. We have that ping pong ginger piece. We have the apples and the onions and the garlic cloves as well. And we're gonna mix those ingredients up. Right, put it into this. I think it might be too small.
이제 2번 하게.
So we're gonna do it twice. We want to blend it until it becomes a mashed potato. Oh, that part isn't. Let's cut up that ginger piece in small piece. Blend it real smooth until it turns like, let's say, mashed potatoes. We got that mix in. And then this is what 새우젓 looks like. Very small shrimp. And you never really taste this, but it provides just the right level of saltiness. We're gonna put in 4 tablespoons. That's 1. Okay. 4 tablespoons in. All right, and then we're gonna do 1 full tablespoon of sugar.
Okay, put them in here.
I'm really curious to see how this tastes because I never tried it with potato mix like that. Interesting. Then 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds.
Tastes nearly good.
And then we're gonna put in the refrigerator so that it can, all the flavors can come together.
지금 우리 한 3시간 된 것 같지 않아?
It's been around 3 hours.
턴인 할 거야. After 3 hours 뒤집는 이유는 위에 있던 것이 밑으로 가고.
Yeah, we want all of them to have some time in that salt water. So just put the bottoms to the top and then the top to the bottom.
이렇게.
Good. While we wait for the kimchi, we decided to have a little mini Korean barbecue here. We're having a thinly sliced samgyeopsal. It's called tepe samgyeopsal. Yes. Little break, get some more energy.
할머니 술 한잔 더. 소주 한 잔.
술요?
오케이.
Okay?
응.
소주?
소주.
짠 한번 하고 드셔야 하지 않을까요?
급해서.
Jan. I think it's been around 6 hours. Let's take a look, Mom. We explained in the other video as well, but if you can fold the white parts of the leaves and it doesn't snap, it's good. If it does snap, just put it in.
니를 뭐.
And next, we're gonna wash off all the salt, and it's yeah, it's important because well, you don't want your kimchi to be too salty. That's right. Go through each one. Just giving a squeeze. Wait, just give it a squeeze. Get all that salt water off.
그러면 이제 물이 빠지도록 기다려야 돼.
In the meanwhile, we're gonna add some Korean radish and green onion. We're gonna do 5 green onions. We're gonna split them in half first, the green onions, and then about a pinky length. Mom, don't cut off my fingers.
Okay.
Good. Good. Throw it into this glorious kimchi bowl. Korean radish. Just make the letter L, and then it should be around there. My mom's old school. She doesn't like to use the speed peelers. Cut off the end part.
너무 크니까 쪼개야.
오케이.
Cut it in half first. Yeah, and then julienne them like this, guys. We're gonna put all of that in here. And then we have to grab the kimchi paste. Nice. Mix that in. Just mix it in.
믹스.
Ooh, smells good, guys. 이거 다 안 써?
저건 배추 바를 거야. 더.
왜 나오다네?
더. This much.
It's about a tablespoon. We used around half of the paste to make this radish kind of salad, but we still have half of the paste remaining. You gotta coat each leaf.
이치를. 오케이? 이렇게.
Good.
그다음에 이파리가 안 묻혀졌지? 이파리를.
And then she's gonna get the end of the leaf, and then she's gonna take some of that spicy radish salad and pack it in between each leaf as well. That has a lot of marinade, and it adds to it.
이렇게.
Very nice.
오케이.
Very nice. Good.
그다음에 더.
Perfect. And then we'll repeat for the other two. Plastic Tupperware. Each kimchi baby in. That's one. Nice. And guys, and we had a little bit of paste left over. You can save that.
Save the freezer. Okay?
Add a little bit of sesame seeds, because that's just how Koreans do. And at this stage, you can eat this fresh right now. It tastes pretty good, but we're gonna close the lid, and we're gonna let it kick off the fermentation process. Let it sit for 1 day in room temperature. It's been 24 hours. And a lot of people eat kimchi because of all the good bacteria. So how do we know if it's fermented right? And if you see a lot of bubbles coming up, that means it's fermented. Very nice. You see all those bubbles? Right. Looks like something's living in there. So now we're going to just put this in the refrigerator. And when it gets chilled, we're ready to eat. Now it's kimchi time. It should be cool now. Guys, then I'm going to grab one bundle here. Oh gosh, look at that color. It's beautiful. All we need is a few more drops. Look at that. Some modern art. You just want to cut off this end piece. All right, and then we'll just cut some sections like that. Woo, very nice. And boom, shakalaka, there it is, guys. All right, take a look at that midsection, guys. It's nice, it's nice. Give it a taste. Wow, this is really nice. Yeah, I have to hand it to my mom. I think she did a great job. I think even too good of a job. The flavors are more well balanced. So you don't get like this sharp flavors anywhere. You get the spiciness, but it's not too spicy. And that potato starch sort of rounds out all the flavor. All right, so if you really want to try some authentic tasting kimchi, instead of some random store-bought one, then I think this is gonna be your onboarding recipe. From there, tweak it to your personality, tweak it to your taste buds, and then share your personal recipe back to me. That way we get a full circle. That's cool.